Here's something that will blow your mind. The average person who invests $7,000 a year in a Roth IRA using just two boring ETFs will have over $1 million by age 50. Not because they're brilliant investors, not because they picked the right stocks, but because they understood one thing that 95% of people completely miss. Compound interest is literally the only cheat code to wealth that actually works. My name is Channel, and I want to show you exactly how to build that $1 million portfolio starting today, even if you've never invested a dime in your life. And here's the part that blows people's minds. You're probably already losing money by not doing this. Let's start with why most people get this completely wrong. When someone says, "I want to invest," they immediately think about picking stocks. They watch CNBC. They try to find the next Tesla. They follow Reddit forums. And statistically, they lose money. Why? Because they're playing a game they can't win against professional traders with supercomputers. That's not investing. That's gambling with rent money. But here's what actually works. The boring thing. The thing that makes zero sense emotionally, but makes perfect mathematical sense. And that's a Roth IRA filled with index fund ETFs. Let me explain what that even means, because the jargon is where people get confused. A Roth IRA is just a container, a special government account where your money grows completely tax-free. Seriously, you never pay taxes on the gains. That's the secret sauce. Most people retire and pay 22% to 37% in taxes on their investment gains. You'll pay zero. That's the difference between $1 million and $1.4 million in your pocket. Now, inside that Roth IRA, you're not picking individual stocks. You're buying ETFs. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of it like this. Imagine you could buy a basket of 300 companies with one click. That's an ETF. Specifically, the ETF we're talking about is called VTI. It's literally the entire US stock market in one ticker. When you buy VTI, you own a tiny piece of Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, your neighbor's small business, all of it. Here's the three-fund beginner portfolio that actually works. Ready? Seriously, this is it. Fund 1, VTI, US Total Stock Market. This is 70% of your portfolio. You own 3,500 plus American companies. When America does well, you do well. It's simple. Fund 2, VXUS, International Stocks. This is 30% of your portfolio. This is the rest of the world, Europe, Asia, emerging markets. Why? Because the future isn't just America, and this diversification literally reduces your risk while keeping returns the same. That's it. 2 funds. That's your portfolio. No individual stocks, no crypto, no real estate. Just these 2 ETFs inside your Roth IRA. And here's where it gets wild. Let's talk allocation. If you're under 40, you want to be aggressive because you have time. So 70% VTI, 30% VXUS. If you're 40 and 50, maybe go 60-40. If you're 50 plus, maybe 50-50. But honestly, even at 70-30 at age 60, you're still fine because you have a 20-30-year time horizon. The numbers prove it. Now here's the part that changes everything. The actual math. Let's say you're 22 years old right now. You commit to investing $7,000 a year. That's the 2024 Roth IRA Max. Historical stock market returns average 10% per year. After 28 years, at age 50, with zero additional effort, That becomes $1.02 million. You contributed $196,000 of your own money. The market gave you $824,000. You didn't do anything. Time did the work. But here's the psychological trap that stops most people. Around year 3 or 4, the market will drop, maybe 20%, maybe 30%. Your $50,000 portfolio becomes $40,000. And your brain screams, "Sell, get out, protect your money." That feeling, that's the moment you lose. Because the people who sold in 2008 missed the greatest bull market in history. The people who held, they're millionaires now. This is where the Roth IRA actually protects you emotionally. Because the money is locked away until age 59.5, you can't emotionally trade it. You can't panic sell. Your own rules keep you disciplined. It's genius. Let me hit you with one more stat that matters. 91% of millionaires use index funds. Not individual stock pickers, not day traders, not crypto bros boring index fund investors. Warren Buffett, the world's greatest investor, tells his wife to put all her money in index funds when he dies. If it's good enough for Warren, it's good enough for you. So here's what you do today. Step 1. Open a Roth IRA at Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Pick one, doesn't matter. Step 2. Invest in VTI and VXUS at a 70-30 split. Step 3. Set up automatic monthly investments so you never have to think about it again. Step 4. Literally forget about it for 10 years. Don't check your balance. Don't panic when the market drops. Just let compound interest work. The biggest wealth mistake? Waiting. Every year you delay is a year of compound growth you lose forever. A 25-year-old who invests $7,000 today will have $1.2 million at 50. A 35-year-old who invests the same way will have $300,000. That's the cost of 10 years of waiting. Don't be that person. If this helped, please like this video, subscribe for more real finance talk, and comment below with your biggest money question. I read every single comment, and I might answer yours next week. Remember, you don't need to be smart to be rich. You just need to be patient and boring. That's the entire strategy. See you in the next one.